On this page, you will type your first and last name. This just tells you ahead the next slides will be pre-writing support for you. So you'll want to write some powerful emotional words here now. Emotional words are like now, don't forget, you can't wait, we can't wait, so important. Right here, you're going to type what you want. For example, you could write, we need gardens now. We need a prettier landscape at Van Hoos. Whatever it is that you want related to the topic. You're going to give 3 reasons why you want what you want in this box right here, and you'll type that. Next one, where do you want the change? Do you want the garden where the marquee is at the where people see where the building is? Do you want the garden in the middle where those trees are? Do you want container gardens that are up by the steps? Or do you want that grassy area to have a garden space? You're going to tell where you want that change to happen. Then you're going to tell when it should happen. Do you want it now? Do you want it by the school year? Do you want it next week? Then you're going to type who should be contacted. You may want to put Dr. Polio's name. You could put your name down. Now, the next slides are examples to kind of help you kind of see the poster. This is a poster that just uses words, but you can see come together to stop climate chaos. This Saturday, that's where be part of history, the wave, and then they tell where in the time. This is another poster, Eat Local, and they have images and they have some dates, climate change by the numbers. They don't tell the who there. This is one, People Climate March, September 21st, 2014, New York City. So you can kind of see some images there. And these posters, if you kind of click back and forth, they'll kind of help you see what you can produce. But again, you'll want to use slide 4 and slide 5, the information that you put in those slides to help you construct your poster. Now there's some neat little tricks you can do when designing your poster in Google Slide. You can go to the Insert tab and click. And if you go to Word Art here, click that and maybe plant a flower garden now. And then if I just click out of that, you can see that I have the title of my poster right here. And I can drag it down and make it a little bit larger and then bring it up. And then I can, once I bring it up, I can hit that paint can and change the colors of that title. I'm just going to delete that right now. Or you can take your text box and drag it out and draw. And then you can go and you can change your font size to something large. grow a flower garden now. And I can have the same message just in a text box instead of using the bubble. So I want a title there telling them what I want now. Okay. So after I write what I want, then I can go to insert an image and I can search from the web, or I can draw a picture and upload it. And I'm going to get some flowers because I want a flower garden. So I just type flowers over here and I can get flower clip art. I just hit enter. I like these purple flowers, I think. Those will be nice. And I can keep it whole space like this because I can get a text box and put it on top of here. And now I'm going to change the color inside of that text box. To white so others can read the word. And I'm going to change the font size. Now I'm going to tell when we need this garden by whenever. I'm going to tell the time there. So that would tell the now. And if you forget, you can go back up to those slides and you can get that information. So when it should happen, I told that. What do I want changed? I want a garden now. Okay, so now I'm going to add why it's important. I'm going to give one of my reasons. I'm going to get that text box again. And I'm going to change the color inside of that. Fill that color to be white. I'm going to change that font. Flowers will make JCPS feel whatever. That's one of my reasons. I'm going to get a text box out and I'm going to give another reason. I'm going to type that reason. Remember, I need 3 reasons, so I'm going to do 3 reasons. But I'm not going to type all those because I want you to be creative and kind of do your own. And then I'm going to write on here, for more information, contact, and I would put my name down. I need to change this this font, because it's kind of small. Contact. Then I'm going to say my name. Bernice. Then I would put my last name. Or if I want Dr. Pollo, I don't want them to contact me. I want them to contact Dr. Pollo. I could put his name down. Polio. I could put Dr. Polio down. Okay, in his name, and I could change the color of that. Okay, so this just gives you some ideas of how you could create that poster. I hope this helps you.